we have a couple different ways for you to find your resources. First, if you know what you are looking for, you can type in keywords into our search engine and help find those articles right away. But if you are not sure where to start, we have two separate drop-down menus. The first drop-down menu will give you a broad category, such as education, health, education and health and disability laws, resources, assistance and support, resources in Spanish, and our webinars and shorts. Depending on what you click on will generate a different drop-down menu that can help narrow down your search a little bit more. For example, if I click on health, you will see there are subcategories such as educational settings for health, healthcare settings, mental wellness and brain health, Medicaid and waiver options, and rare diseases. Again, they may help you narrow down your search, or you can keep it as a broad search and look at more information. We also send out information regularly on our e-newsletter. You can sign up for our e-newsletter at the bottom of our website. It will always be at the bottom no matter what page you are on. All we need is your full name and an email address. That information stays confidential. It just allows us to send the information to you. We share information that we have created. We share our upcoming events, and we may even share community events around Iowa that may be beneficial to you. You can also look for our events by clicking the Events tab on our page. You can see our upcoming webinars, our support groups, or anything else that we have coming up. For example, in the spring, we have our Together We Can conference, and registration for that is under our Events tab.